Ever wondered how to diagnose car-computer problems using a PC diagnostic software? Welcome to the fascinating world of automotive technology, where cars and computers intertwine. At the heart of your car's electronics lies the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, a crucial component that manages a variety of your vehicle's systems, including the engine, transmission, and emission controls. When the PCM functions optimally, your car runs smoothly. However, issues such as engine misfires, poor fuel economy, and unexpected stalling can indicate that your car's computer is facing problems. These problems can be frustrating and perplexing, but they're not insurmountable. Understanding what a car computer is, and being aware of the common issues it can encounter, is the first step towards unraveling these technological mysteries. From here, we can then delve into how to diagnose these problems using PC diagnostic software. So, buckle up as we venture into the digital depths of your car's electronic systems. Understanding these problems is the first step. Let's delve into how to diagnose them using PC diagnostic software. But what is a PC diagnostic software and how does it work? Now that's a good question. You see, PC diagnostic software is like a translator between you and your car's computer system. It reads, analyzes, and interprets the data produced by your car, helping you to understand the vehicle's health. Think of it like this. Your car speaks a language of codes and signals. This software is the interpreter that translates that language into something we can understand. Some of the popular PC diagnostic softwares include Ford IDS and Toyota Techstream. These tools are designed to interact with the car's onboard computer, or ECU, reading and interpreting the various data points it produces. This can range from engine temperature and RPM to fuel efficiency and even error codes, which are invaluable in diagnosing problems. With these tools, we can easily interpret the car's language and identify any underlying issues. Now that we have our software, how do we use it to diagnose car-computer problems? Let's take a deep dive into the process. It's easier than you might think, and it all starts with connecting your software to your car. Typically, this is done using an Obd2 connector, a universal port found in most vehicles, usually located under the dashboard. You'll connect one end of the Obd2 cable to your car, and the other one to your laptop or PC where the diagnostic software is installed. Once connected, your software will start communicating with your car's computer, also known as the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM. It's like having a conversation with your car, except in a language of codes. The software will initiate a scan to read any error codes that your car's computer might be sending out. Now, on to interpreting these codes. Each code corresponds to a specific problem. They can range from minor issues like a loose gas cap to more serious ones like a malfunctioning oxygen sensor. Your PC diagnostic software, whether it's Ford IDS, Toyota Techstream, or another similar program, will typically provide a definition for each error code. This can be a real lifesaver, as trying to decipher these codes without any assistance can be quite a daunting task. But what do you do once you've identified the error codes? This is where the real fun begins. Each diagnostic software comes with a data library that includes potential solutions for each error code. It's like having a mechanic at your fingertips, guiding you on how to fix the issues. Some solutions might be straightforward enough for you to handle on your own, while others may require professional assistance. Remember, the goal here isn't to turn you into a professional mechanic overnight. Instead, it's to give you a better understanding of what's going on under the hood of your car, empowering you to make informed decisions about your vehicle's maintenance and repair. And there you have it, a comprehensive step-by-step guide to diagnosing car-computer problems using a PC diagnostic software. So, what have we learned today? We've unveiled the critical role of car computers and the importance of PC diagnostic software like Ford IDS or Toyota Techstream. We've walked through a step-by-step guide to diagnosing car-computer problems, emphasizing the significance of careful analysis and understanding. By grasping these principles and having the right tools at your disposal, you can be confident in diagnosing and solving your car-computer problems. So the next time your car starts acting up, you know what to do.